Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Tatjana from Garnet Beauty and Art, and in today's video I'm going to do a beautiful coasters with a really nice green, light green and sparkly white golden colors. I'm going to create today two different designs in the same time. So pre-mixed already my resin, and which is 1:1 ratio, and I started with first two molds and I just pour my clear resin in there, and before pouring resin, after I'm mixing of the resin, I always leave it for 5 minutes, make sure all bubbles come to the surface and wouldn't have any bubbles. So I'm just mixing my first color, which is white gold color, and it's mica powder. And make sure with the mica powder you do really good mixing really good the colors, so otherwise some mica powder can sit at your coasters and it will be not really nice when you turn it over, and it can ruin your design. For the second color I'm going to use again mica powder, and it's really nice light green color and it's really shimmery as well. So when I mixed the color it was a little bit too light, so I added a tiny amount of darker green mica powder just to make it one shade darker. And now when I'm happy with the result, we are going to do our third color, which will be foil, and it's not like a gold foil, this is like a champagne color, like a really nice color. And I will just adding a few glitters as well, give it a really good mix. And I decided to add another slice of foil to make it a bit more sparkly. So I'm just going to go with my heat gun, make sure we're all bubble free and there is no any bubbles left. And sometimes I do go with a torch and with a heat gun as well. And we are going to pour resin in my small cups because it's really nice and easy to work with this one. And you just basically go over on a side, and I've done quite few rounds as you can see, and I'm pouring quite from high, so it's not gonna color not gonna just be spreading, it will be like drop effect, like a dribble effect, which I really like it. And for the second color we are going to use our white, and again just go all over next to the green color, and I done it a few times as well. And in the middle I'm going to put our golden color. I'm just going to go over with a heat gun, with a torch, or with a heat gun, so, or sometimes I'm doing both of them. And we are going to move to our next design, and this one will be a bit different. So I'm just pouring my green and white color in a small cups, and now with the golden color we're just pouring it in the middle and both of the colors at the same time. You can do both at the same time, or you can do one by one. You can do green color and then white color. And I just added slightly more of the sparkles in the middle to make it a bit more shiny and bigger. And just repeating same with second one, again pouring two colors together and to finish, I will add a little bit more of the sparkly color in the middle. So as you can see, while we're working on this design, you can see first two coasters, the color already start moving to the middle, and this is what we need for our design. So I've got some leftovers, I'm just adding some more on a green and white color. We'll go over with a heat gun and torch as well. Heat gun with the first two coasters, it's really helped to color start spreading. As you can see, it gets to the middle straight away after the heat gun, after you apply a heat gun. And as well, just to remove any bubbles on the surface, make sure our finished design will be nice and smooth. And I'm just going over with a bit of torch as well, and we're all done. We'll see you later for demolding. Hello everyone and welcome back, and in today's video we're just going to demold our beautiful coasters we done yesterday, and just have a look at this beautiful result. Really nice. I love this green, it's really nice and gentle, like a spring color. And we're just going to demold it and see what we've got on another side. And let's have a look. Look at this. I really like these sides. It looks so unique. And it feels really smooth, so you can't feel any glitter. And look at this. I really love it, and the shimmer is amazing. Beautiful. And we're doing second one. Look at this beautiful result. Again, really nice, all soft and smooth. The sides are really cool. I really like it. Just beautiful. And we're going to do this, all beautiful flowers. Really nice see-through design, and I call it Hello Spring, so it's really beautiful. And let's see what we've got here. Look at this. Hope camera can focus and you can see the result. I really like it. Just beautiful. Look at this combination of this foam. And the last one. So it's really nice shimmer again. This is nice and smooth. The sides, I really love it. I hope you enjoy it as well, And thank you very much for watching, and see you really soon. Thank you very much. Bye now.